Amazon sellers are panicking over haul, and are you next? Is haul a threat or an opportunity? Why does this matter even if you can't sell in haul yet? Amazon just pulled off something big, and most sellers still don't realize what it means for their margins, their visibility, and their future on the platform. It's directly competing with Temu and Shein by offering ultra low priced products starting at just $2.99 with flash deals as low as 11 cents. Let me make this crystal clear. Haul is not just another promotional event. It's a permanent storefront in the Amazon mobile app, stocked with everyday essentials, trending electronics, fashion, home goods, and beauty products, all at $20 or less. And here's the kicker. Nearly every product ships from outside the US, mostly from China, which is where I'm at right now, with the American customer listed as the importer. Amazon handles all customs clearance automatically. Now, if you're selling in fashion, home, beauty, gadgets, or accessories, you need to stop and ask yourself, what happens when millions of your potential customers start expecting $3 lipstick, $5 phone cases, or $8 kitchen tools as the new normal? That's price anchoring, and it's already reshaping buyer psychology across the platform. Here's what makes haul different from regular Amazon. Orders under $25 pay a $3.99 shipping fee. There's no Prime eligibility, delivery takes up to 2 weeks, and returns are only free for items over $3, with just a 15-day return window. Amazon's betting that mobile-first, value-obsessed shoppers will sacrifice speed for savings. And early data suggests that they're right. But let's get tactical. The real question every seller should be asking is this: can third-party sellers participate in haul? Right now, the answer is no. Amazon sources haul products directly through its global procurement networks, cutting out FBA sellers entirely. You're not competing with other sellers, you're competing with Amazon itself. And they've got manufacturer direct pricing power that most of us can't touch. So why does this matter even if you can't sell in haul yet? Because haul gets premium placement in the mobile app. Home screen banners, push notifications, dedicated event promos. If Amazon funnels traffic into haul, your regular listings lose discoverability, especially in low ticket categories. And if customers start using haul prices as a mental benchmark, you could face buy box pressure, repricing wars, and shrinking margins, even outside the haul section. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Amazon didn't launch haul just to undercut sellers. Actually, that originally wasn't their reason at all. They launched it because Temu and Shein were bleeding billions of dollars in sales from the Amazon ecosystem. In April 2025, both platforms got hit hard by US tariff changes and the elimination of the de-minimize loophole, forcing them to raise prices and slash ad spending. Amazon saw the opening and went all in with Amazon Haul, and it's working. Now they're expanding haul globally under the name Amazon Bazaar in 14 additional markets. So let's talk about what you can actually do right now. First, monitor haul closely. Study which products are trending, what price points are converting, and how Amazon positions value messaging. Use that intelligence to inform your own product development, sourcing, and pricing strategy. Second, if you're operating on thin margins in budget categories, you need to differentiate fast. That means stronger branding, better packaging, bundling strategies, faster shipping through FBA Prime, or moving upmarket into premium niches where haul cannot compete. Third, prepare for the possibility that Amazon opens haul to third-party sellers. If they do, this could be a goldmine for liquidating overstock, B-stock, or seasonal surplus instead of paying removal fees or destroying inventory. Sellers with direct factory relationships or private label expertise could dominate the impulse buy market. Fourth, leverage your existing advantages. Prime eligibility, faster shipping, established reviews, brand loyalty, and the ability to upsell customers into higher margin products. Use inserts, email sequences, and influencer partnerships to turn bargain hunters into repeat buyers. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is haul a threat or an opportunity? The honest answer is both. If you're competing purely on price in commoditized categories, haul is going to squeeze you. But if you're agile, creative, and strategic, haul reveals exactly what Amazon thinks the future of mobile commerce looks like, and you can position yourself accordingly. Here's a prediction. Within 12 months, Amazon will either open haul to select sellers or create a hybrid model where sellers can submit products for haul inclusion. Why? Because Amazon can't source and manage every SKU themselves, and they know third-party sellers drive over 60% of total platform sales. They need you, but only if you can play by haul's rules. Rock bottom pricing, lean operations, and mobile first presentation. One more thing, the tariff situation is fluid. Temu and Shein got crushed by policy changes in 2025, and Amazon Haul could face similar headwinds if import regulations tighten further. Stay informed on trade policy, because any shifts in tariffs or custom rules could completely reshape Haul's economics overnight. Bottom line, Amazon Haul is a massive signal about where the platform is headed. Mobile first, discovery driven, value obsessed, and willing to compete directly with sellers when it suits their strategy. You can either adapt or get left behind. The sellers who win in 2025 and beyond will be the ones who see Haul not as a threat to avoid, but as a playbook to study and a market shift to anticipate. So here's my question for you. And I want you to drop your real thoughts in the comments. Do you think Amazon will open haul to third-party sellers in 2025, Q4, or Q1 2026? And if they do, will you jump in, or will you double down on premium positioning to stay out of the race to the bottom? Let's debate this, because your answer could define your entire strategy for 2026 and 2027. Our mission here at Data Dive is to support you in your journey, and we are very looking forward to seeing your comments below. See you on the next video.